Removing Tabby credit card from TikTok is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can remove tablet credit card from TikTok. So the process is actually very simple. Just have to open up your TikTok application, and in the TikTok application you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you just have to tap on these two lines to open up the menu bar, and there you have to tap on settings in privacy, and here you simply have to tap on this balance option. Now after tapping on balance option, you will either have some balance. If you do not have one, you just have to tap on get coins. If it happens get coin, it will want me to buy the coins which I can buy using my credit debit card. So if I tap on recharge, it will open it up. You just have to not tap on the card to delete it if it is, or open a brighter, which means it is added to your Google Play. You have to delete it from your Google Play account, with your easily be able to go to I will easily be able to do by going to the Google account settings. However, if you want to remove the withdraw account, you